How to change phone number on Facebook. Hey there, welcome to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To change the phone number on your Facebook, first and foremost, launch a Facebook application in your device. Now from here, make sure you have logged in into your account using your credential. Make sure you have switched into your Facebook page. From here, click on the three horizontal line at the top and select on your profile. You need to head at the bottom where you will see your profile details. Tap on the option of See Your About Info. Right over here you will see your mobile number. You need to click on the three dot icon and tap Edit Phone. After which go ahead and edit the phone that you wish to. After that just click on the Save icon. This is how you'll be able to save or change a brand new mobile number in your Facebook. Wasn't it simple? You can also adjust the privacy of your number, that is public or only you. For that, you can tap on the three dot again and click on Sharing With. Then you can choose your audience. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.